Hey everyone, John here. This is pre-market picks for May 21st, 2021. Taking a quick look at S&P 500, you can see we're getting up above all these moving averages. NASDAQ. This one's also bouncing off. Currently above moving averages on the daily chart. Diamonds. And we're also recovering. Russell 2000. Taking a quick look on the hourly chart, we're still struggling against some moving averages right there. And transports we also bounce off, but we also pull back slightly, but this one is still staying up above all moving averages, staying up above the 200 on the hourly chart. Let's jump over to some symbols. The first one I want to talk about is WYNN, and we're going to focus on here. So taking a quick look at this chart, we do have a nice three-price relationship right around 120. It's starting to bounce off, and be a little bit more patient so you can wait until it gets up above that 200 on the hourly, establish a series of higher highs and higher lows. Today I also want to go over quickly on some numbers, how they're pushing. Still last year they definitely took a big loss, and at the same time they're making some big moves. So taking a quick look at their news, right? So MGM Resorts to return to 100% occupancy on Las Vegas casino floors. All right. What else do we have? WYNN Resorts to merge digital gambling business into SPAC in a bet on its value. So they're always moving, they're always transitioning to new technology, right? Even though they're not selling hotel rooms, they're going to be huge. They're going to be putting their money toward online gambling going forward, because there's going to be a lot of that, especially when people are at home, they have nothing to do. And that's something I think that's going to be on the rise in the future. Jumping over to some other symbols. Next one I have was SIEN. Okay, so this is in cosmetics, and they have some technology for breast augmentation, also elimination of sweat from your underarms, which I'm not a fan of, because you need to detox, you need to purge, your toxins using your lymphatic system. So, but if you're gonna buy this, right, you can set your stop below at 594. It's up to you. Apply materials. So over here, we got a nice three-price relationship around 114, 115, and we're gonna be retesting that 200 moving average shortly. And I still think it's a great time to buy SHLX. None of this is financial advice. You gotta do what's right for your account. This is not gonna be a fast mover necessarily. But if you just have a pivot low, this is saying I'm going to stop myself out below 1447. That's a perfectly fine trading plan. And as you position size correctly with your trading account. Goal is still staying above the 200 moving average on the hourly chart. So right now we are at 1874. I'm going to go on the daily chart. Okay, it's above the 200 on the daily chart. Jumping over to silver. Silver pulled back 32 cents. But overall, the trend is still intact. And we're still being held up by that 200 on the hourly chart. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Hit that notification button. Look forward to hearing you in the comments area. And I'll talk to you soon.